Welcome to another episode of By the Numbers. I'm Michelle Fleming.
And I'm Renee Smith.
And today we're going to talk about subitizing.
Oh, we have dominoes again. I like that.
Oh, yeah. Dominoes and dice, these are all great tools that we grew up using.
Right. We played a lot of games.
And a lot of kids don't see these. And we need to get these back out because there's some, subitizing is actually a mathematical concept that's usually not included in textbooks,
right,
because they figure kids have it by the time they come to school. And what we're finding is because they're not playing these kind of games, a lot of kids don't have the skill of subitizing.
Right.
And subitizing just means...
Well, go ahead and tell us what it means.
It's just the ability to see number without counting.
And if they don't have that skill, it makes it really difficult to go on with operations for addition and subtraction. They have a difficult time learning their math facts.
Yeah, and it makes it hard for them to know how to count on. It makes it hard for them to even be able to think about that numbers are inside numbers and hierarchical inclusion, which is a whole nother concept. But it all ties together, and it's a skill that, like I said, we don't think about a lot in education or even in textbooks because we expect them to have them before they come to school.
Right.
And so many kids don't.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
So, well, first we're going to play a quick little game that you don't even know about, has nothing to do with dominoes.
Oh, no.
Okay?
She's going to test me.
I'm going to test you. I have some color words, and I want you to read the color word. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Purple. Red. She's trying to trick me because none of them match their colors. Blue. Orange. Green. There's no color word there. The paper is white.
Okay. Have you ever seen those, though, when they have you read them and they're written in a different color than what the word actually says, and it starts to
mess with your mind?
It starts messing with your mind.
Okay.
Well, that's what we're going to play in this game.
Okay.
We're going to work on the skill of subitizing, but hopefully we'll mess with your mind a little bit.
Okay, now you've really kind of got me worried.
Oh, this is a fun game. In fact, this is a great game to play with several people in the family. I mean, it's like put everybody around the table and play
Grandma
this.
to the table?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Grandma love this.
All right.
Not quite chicken foot, but...
Oh, I like chicken foot.
Look all we're going to do is we're going to take these dominoes and we're going to have them the dot side up or the pip side up, and we're just going to put them like in a rectangular square, just random.
Okay.
It doesn't need to, they don't need to match.
Okay, that's good.
You know, in dominoes you have to match them up, which is another great skill for subitizing.
I don't think I've gone out far enough.
Okay, let's go. I think we're okay. Let's go back in.
Okay.
We can always add a few or take a few out, okay? Okay, we're going to take these out.
I think we need one more. No, we don't. Well, I can't tell. We're kind
We're
of
kind of cockeyed here. Okay, we'll just do this.
It is funny that we both used the word cockeyed, though.
I know. Does that mean?
We've hung around together too long, I think.
I'm actually going to take this one and put it like a starting point.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you can use anything from 0s to 6s. We go up to 9s. So what we're going to do is we're going to start counting, and each half of the domino we're going to count. Okay. We're going to start with 0, and we're going to count 1 through 9, 0 through 9. We're going to count.
Okay.
When the number we're touching matches the word we just said, we get to pick up that domino.
Okay, I got you now.
See how that was very similar to blue is green and green is blue?
Okay, so this is 1.
No, that's actually 0 since we have zeros.
Okay, this is 0, even though there's a 4 there.
Right.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well, 8. You just said 8.
I said 8.
That's an 8. So you get to pick it up. Okay. See how quickly she went past the 8?
I did.
She said 8. She pointed to 8, but she went past it. The bigger numbers are even harder. Okay.
So for little kids, I probably should just use through the sixes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But if you play it as a group, then you can help each other along.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
so
I start back over with 0.
Okay.
0.
You're taking it.
I'm taking it. You go.
0.
You're taking it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
You get to
take that one.
0, 1.
You get to take it. 0, 1, 2, 3. But you go until you pick up a domino, so it's not like who has the most dominoes, because everyone's going to have the same number of dominoes. Okay? Because you keep going around until you pick up when it's your turn, you have 3 dominoes, I have 3 dominoes, it's your turn again.
Oh, so every
So-
time
so,
when
yeah.
we pick up,
You're gonna
I
have a
got-
domino.
So 0,
Zero,
1,
one. You've
I've
got
got
it.
4, so you're gonna.
0, I have 1.
Okay, I get it. So we just keep
You
going?
just keep going around.
Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it.
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to turn that one in now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how many
Woo!
times? But see how
Wow.
you're practicing the rote counting as well.
Right.
And you're looking for that number. If you ever get down and you get stuck, and it's like every time you go around you land on 4, and this is going to be 4, and it doesn't match, no matter how many times you keep counting,
Right.
then you just say, we're going to discard this one and put it in the middle.
And get it
go-
started.
going.
Okay, cool.
So,
I like it.
so that's called Where Will You Land? And like I said, it's a fun game to play. I've had adults playing it, and we enjoy playing it, and we have to help each other out because
Especially with double nines.
it's just hard to see some of those numbers. But it helps with that skill of subitizing. So thank you for joining us in another episode of By the Numbers.
You can find out more information about By the Numbers and other shows on mykidstturn.com.